Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, EOI for restoration of 2 Mig-23UB Trainer Aircraft. The Indian Air Force has taken a significant step towards preserving the aviation heritage by initiating the revival of 2 Mig-23UB Trainer Aircraft. Through its Headquarters Maintenance Command, the IAF has issued an expression of interest inviting qualified Indian firms to participate in the restoration and maintenance of these historic aircraft. The selected firms must have the technical expertise, financial stability, infrastructure, and experience required to make these MiG-23UB trainers fly-worthy once again and to support their long-term upkeep as part of the IAF's heritage flight. Next, FibreB Grating-Based Structural Health Monitor System. The Technology Development Fund (TDF) has issued a call to Indian micro, small, and medium enterprises to develop a FibreB grating-based structural health monitoring system. The aim of the initiative is to enhance the structural integrity of various vehicles and systems by continuously monitoring their health throughout their operational lifespan, ensuring both safety and economic efficiency. Next, how Pakistan's Air Force achieves swift procurement despite economic constraint. In recent years, the Pakistan Air Force has made impressive strides in modernizing its fleet, especially in the procurement of fighter jets and airborne warning and control systems aircraft. This progress is notable given Pakistan's challenging economic landscape with issues like rising inflation, significant national debt, and dependency on foreign loans. In contrast, the Indian Air Force, operating within a nation with a growing economy and a significantly larger defense budget, has faced procurement delays. Next, Navy's DO-228 aircraft to get indigenous ESM modules. DRDL, a key division of India's DRDO, has successfully developed electronic support measure ESM modules for the Indian Navy's DO-228 aircraft under the ambitious project Shine S-22. The indigenous development marks a significant milestone in enhancing India's electronic warfare capabilities and strengthening the Navy's surveillance and reconnaissance abilities in maritime operation. Next, Pakistan seeks S-350 air defense system from Russia. In a recent turn of events, Pakistan has reportedly approached Russia for the S-350 Vityaz air defense system after its earlier request for the advanced S-400 system was declined. The refusal stems from Russia's strategic decision to avoid supplying the same defense capabilities to nations with complex geopolitical relations, as the S-400 is already operational within India's defense infrastructure. This approach is indicative of Russia's effort to balance the defense partnership in South Asia without intensifying the arms race between India and Pakistan. Next, unveiling upgraded advanced fire control system. Veda Aeronautics has revealed an upgraded design for its advanced fire control system developed specially for integration within the Mk 4740mm grenade launcher. This upgrade reflects Veda's commitment to equipping tactical combat units with cutting-edge targeting and precision firing capabilities. Thank you.